Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Lani, and this is yoga for people who like to have fun. Because we are all adults, and well, not all, kids could totally do this yoga, but we start losing the fun when we grow up, and we want to connect back to that super awesome child who was like creative and excited and thought that they could do everything in the world. So this is yoga for fun. Let's start with the feet apart. Inhale, arms to the sky. Exhale, big breath out through the mouth. Inhale, take it up. Exhale. One more. All the way up. Lift the heels and pull the ankles together. Look up, squeeze the cheeks. 3, 2, 1, big bend. Inhale, take it up. Lift the heels, look up to the sky. 3, 2, 1, exhale. One more, take it all the way up. Fingers to the sky, look to the sky, squeeze the ankles together, squeeze those cheeks. 3, 2, 1, exhale. Let's hang forward. Just going to come sideways for you. We'll bring the feet to the edges of the mat, slightly bend the knees, and let the head hang heavy, shoulders pull away from the ears. Let's reach hands through the legs if you can. If not, just keep the hands forward, shoulders away from the ears. Breathe in and breathe out. And on the inhale, we'll walk hands all the way forward, and we'll step it up and back to a high push-up. Squeeze the cheeks. You can come to the knees if you need to. For 3, 2, and 1, exhale, halfway down. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Squeeze the cheeks. Look up, and on the exhale, we'll pull it up and back. Child's pose. Inhale, bring the right arm under and just make space up through that right side. And on the inhale, forward, and on the exhale, switch. Left arm under. And on the inhale, we'll come to tabletop position. And on the exhale, right arm under with the bum up. And this time, left arm forward. And then on the next inhale, we'll straighten out the left leg, tuck the left toes under. If you want a little bit more, keep your hips squared toward the floor and lift that left leg. For 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, knee come back to the floor. Inhale, plant right hand, and on the exhale, left arm comes through. Maybe we bring the right arm forward. If you want a little bit more, tuck those right toes under. And if you want a little bit more, keep your hip facing the floor and lift that leg. Relax the neck. 3, 2, and 1. Back down. Tabletop position. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Let's make it fast and loud. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale, drop belly, look up. Cat pose. 3 more. 2. 1. Inhale, back to neutral spine, and on the exhale, tuck toes, hips to sky, chest to thighs, spread those fingers. Pump the legs out. Inhale, bend right leg, straighten out left. And on the exhale, switch. Take it again. Inhale, soft neck. And on the exhale, switch, and we'll come back to downward facing dog. Bend the knees, and we're just going to kind of ground the feet, so just making a little bit of sound. And I just want you to like press your feet into the floor and stomping, if you will, making a little bit of noise. Spread the hands, and then we're just going to count out loud for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, and on the exhale, walk your hands back to your feet. Forward fold. Bend the legs as much as you need to. Bend arms, grab opposite elbows, and on the inhale, come to the left, nice and slow, don't rush. Exhale, come to the right. Inhale to the left, and on the exhale, to the right, and one more. Inhale to the left, and on the exhale, to the right, back to center, and let's just fold those fingers underneath, getting some blood to the wrist, letting the head hang heavy. 3 breaths. Exhale for 2. Exhale. And for 1. Exhale. And we'll tuck the chin, slowly roll up 1 vertebra at a time. We're just going to go for some jumping jacks because jumping around is fun, and if you don't think it's fun, you need to jump around a little bit more. But we're just going to go for 10. So we'll just do feet out and in. We'll start with feet together. It's like a star jump. Sometimes if we have a lack of coordination, it's tough, but we're going to go out with the feet and the arms and then in. We'll go for 10. Breathe in and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's come all the way up to the top of the mat. I got leaves all up in my grill. I got some ants going on too. Toes touch, heels a sliver apart. Inhale, mountain pose, squeeze the cheeks, look up. And on the exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back, look up. And on the exhale, slowly step left foot up and back. Take your time, nice and quiet. No elephant sounds, that's only in our first stomp. Inhale, arms up, pull the belly in. And on the exhale, sweep fingertips back. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, sweep. Inhale, take it up. And on the exhale, we'll come to warrior 2. Bend the knee, spread the fingers, soft shoulders. On the inhale, we'll just come forward. And on the exhale, back, just a nice little surf. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Last one. If you're just a dude and you're afraid to be all flowy, just go forward and back. But that's way funner than just a stationary pose. Movement. Hands all the way down. Inhale, high push-up, squeeze the cheeks. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, lift chest. Exhale, down dog. 3, 2, and 1. Big breath. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, hop the feet all the way forward. Toes touch, heels a sliver apart. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend the knees, roll it all the way up. Gaze to the sky. And on the exhale, sweep fingertips to mat. Inhale, roll it all the way up. Hips, chest, throat, eyes, head. Exhale, bend. 3 more. Inhale, roll it up nice and smooth. Like a break dancer. 2. 1. All the way up, mountain pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. And on the exhale, we'll slowly step right foot back. Take your time. Inhale, arms up, crescent, belly in. Exhale, sweep. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, sweep. Inhale, take it up. And on the exhale, warrior 2. Bend the knee a lot, spread the fingers, drop the shoulders. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward, just surfing. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 1 more. And we'll come all the way down. High push-up. Inhale, squeeze the cheeks. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, lift chest, squeeze cheeks. And on the exhale, down dog. 3, 2, and 1. On the inhale, left leg to the sky. Point the toes. Drive palms through the floor. Pull the right knee up toward the hip. Lift right heel up. Squeeze. Exhale, lower. Inhale, right leg up. Pull the left knee up. Lift onto the toes, drive to the palms, spread the hands, lift, get light. And then we're just going to go for little bunny hops and see if we can, so left leg is up, see if we can just tap right toes to the left knee. We bend and breathe in, just tap, come down, breathe in, tap, come down, 1 more, breathe in, tap, down, and we'll switch. Inhale, right leg up. See if we can breathe, lift, and tap left toes toward the right leg. In. Exhale, bend, tap, take it again, tap, 1 more, spread the hands, tap, and we come all the way down. Feet together, lift the heels, bend the knees, and wiggle up just like a nice little wave. Hollow forward, bend, wave, tail, low back, chest, and bend. Wave it up. 2 more, lift. bend, wave it up, and 1, bend, and wave it up. Good. We'll come onto the knees. Let's come on to the left forearm. So we come onto the side. Just gonna move that out of the way. Straighten out the left leg. Bring right foot up and over. So you can watch this for the first one. Let's just do 2 choices, right? Okay, so let's all start with this one together. Let's rebend that left knee. Bring right hand through the leg and hook onto the knee. If you're struggling hooking onto the knee, then just kind of watch and squeeze everything. That left elbow's pulling into the body. We'll breathe. We'll lift up. 3, 2, 1. If you want to go a little bit further, straighten out that left leg, bring the right arm in front. Pinky toes, or peace fingers rather, around big toe. We use that arm, the butt, the breath, and we pick it up. 3, 2, elbow pulling in. 1. Good. Just going to switch sides. Coming on to the right side. Right elbow pulling in. Left foot in front. We'll bend the right knee. Left hand comes through. Grabs the knee. Pull that right elbow in. Spread the hand. Don't have it up. We want to use that hand. We breathe and lift up. 3, 2, 1. Lower down. We'll straighten out that right leg, layer 2. Left hand comes in front. Peace fingers to big toe. Pull that right elbow in. Spread the hands. Lift the bum up. 3, 2, 1. If you are close, you can always hook a strap around the toes if you just feel like you want to grow a little bit. Good. Back to center. Soles of the feet together. Breathe in. And on the exhale, we'll fold forward. Elbows into the knees. Shoulders pull away from the ears. Let's show that long neck. Softening the back of the neck, softening between the eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. For 2, breathe in. Breathe out. And for 1, breathe in. And breathe out. And we'll slowly lift, pulling the knees in together. Let's cross the ankles, come up to stand. So I'm a huge fan of using our body to change our mood, have a positive effect on us, change the way we feel. Even if you notice those first movements when we lifted the arms up, like I always smile when I lift my hands up to the sky. It's really fun. So this next pose, it's really, really important that you follow these exact directions. And I think one of the greatest spiritual leaders of all time, actually, I learned this from him. He was called MC Hammer, and this is the Running Man. So we're just going to usually real dancers dance with music, but because of YouTube, I can't use music, so maybe I'll try and put some in at the end. Just going to pump it, you know what I'm saying? Just pump it. I know you guys are having fun at home, and if you're feeling super crazy, we're going to double, back, back, you know what I'm saying? Back, back. Sometimes I like to do the Roger, double up, boom, boom, double up. I always want to do these moves on Star Search, but I never got the chance. So instead I started a yoga channel. Now I can always dance whenever I want. A couple more little dances. This is yoga for people who want to have fun, F them stuffy, vinyasa flows. I got the music in my head. You know what I'm saying? Okay, 3, finishing off the Running Man. 2, Roger. 1, all right, take it back. Quit smiling. Arms up. Breathe in. Exhale, big breath. Halfway lift, look up. And on the exhale, we'll slowly step up to a high plank. Inhale, right leg lifts. If you want to flip it over, toes touch. Right arm up. Maybe the right hand back down. Right leg lifts, lower down. Inhale, plank. Maybe just flip it. Side plank with just a little stretch. Hand down. Inhale, left leg lifts. Toes touch, come to the knees. And on the exhale, pull it back to child's pose. 3 big breaths. Breathe in. And out. For 2. Out. And for 1. Out. Tuck the chin, slowly roll up 1 vertebra at a time. We'll face the palms up. Drop the shoulders, lift the chest. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Give it a nice loud breath. In. Exhale. For 2. In. And for 1. In. It is so freaking important for us to keep connected to that childlike space. We're not so worried about what everybody thinks. We're able to have fun, giggle, try something new. Especially, there should be no excuse if you're in the living room by yourself. We don't have to be afraid of looking silly. We just do stuff because it's fun. I'll encourage you to dance and jump and move and groove like nobody is watching. Do it for you. We'll bring hands to the heart, thumbs to chest. Breathe in. Exhale, bow forward as we seal our practice by saying Namaste.